Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Imagine waking up every morning with clearer skin, healthier hair, better digestion, and even reduced pain, all by doing one simple thing before bed. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, what if I told you that you can achieve all this and more by using just castor oil? Yes, castor oil. An age-old remedy with 5 surprising benefits that can transform your body while you sleep. Stick around because in this video, we're revealing a bonus tip that will completely blow your mind. You won't believe the life-changing benefits you'll get from this one natural oil. Yes, castor oil. Please remember, it's always best to patch test or consult a healthcare professional before trying new remedies. Let's start. Benefit number 1, clearer, healthier skin overnight. Let's start with something we all want, clear, glowing skin. Castor oil is packed with fatty acids, especially ricinoleic acid, which has amazing anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Studies have shown that it helps reduce acne, soothes irritated skin, and even fights bacterial infections. When you apply castor oil before bed, it penetrates deeply into your skin, locking in moisture and leaving you with hydrated, soft skin by morning. Castor oil is also great for reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It stimulates the production of collagen and elastin, 2 proteins that keep your skin firm and smooth. By consistently applying castor oil to your face every night, you'll notice your skin becoming more youthful and vibrant. And let's face it, who doesn't want to wake up with radiant skin every day? How to use it. Simply massage a small amount of castor oil onto your face, focusing on dry areas or spots prone to acne. Let it work its magic overnight and wake up to refreshed, moisturized skin. Benefit number 2, stronger, fuller hair while you sleep. Ever wish your hair would grow faster or appear fuller? Castor oil might be your solution. Loaded with vitamin E, omega-6 fatty acids, and proteins, castor oil nourishes your hair and scalp, promoting stronger and faster hair growth. Research shows that castor oil increases blood flow to the scalp, which encourages the hair follicles to produce thicker and healthier hair. When you massage castor oil into your scalp before bed, you're not just feeding your hair with nutrients, you're also helping your hair retain moisture, preventing breakage and split ends. In just a few weeks of regular use, you'll start seeing shinier, fuller hair, and you might even notice less hair fall. How to use it. Apply castor oil to your scalp before bed and gently massage for 5 minutes. Leave it on overnight and wash it out in the morning. You'll be amazed at how much healthier your hair looks and feels. Benefit number 3, joint pain relief and reduced inflammation. If you suffer from joint pain or muscle soreness, castor oil can offer you some much-needed relief. Studies have shown that the ricinoleic acid in castor oil acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory, helping to reduce pain and swelling in joints and muscles. Castor oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for conditions like arthritis, sore muscles, and even back pain. Before bed, rub a small amount of castor oil on your sore joints or muscles. The oil will penetrate deep into your tissues, soothing inflammation and easing your pain by morning. For extra relief, you can apply a warm compress over the area to help the oil absorb even better. How to use it. Massage castor oil into the painful area, then cover it with a warm cloth or heating pad for about 30 minutes before bed. You'll wake up feeling more flexible and pain-free. Benefit number 4, improved digestion and natural detoxification. If you're dealing with constipation or sluggish digestion, castor oil could be the natural solution you've been searching for. Castor oil is known as a natural laxative because it stimulates the muscles in your intestines, helping to move waste through your digestive system. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology found that castor oil is effective in relieving constipation and promoting bowel movements. Taking just a small amount of castor oil before bed can help stimulate your digestion and get things moving by morning. But remember, you don't need much. A little goes a long way. How to use it. Take 1 teaspoon of castor oil before bed and make sure to drink plenty of water. It will help you wake up feeling lighter and more energized the next day. Benefit number 5, deeper, more restful sleep. Here's a surprising benefit. Castor oil can actually help you sleep better. Many people report that applying castor oil to their eyelids before bed leads to deeper, more restful sleep. How? Castor oil's high content of fatty acids helps calm your nervous system and promote relaxation, allowing you to drift off to sleep more easily. How to use it. Gently rub a tiny amount of castor oil onto your eyelids before bed. This relaxing ritual can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Dear friends, if you want to know about the benefits of mixed castor oil and baking soda, you can watch 10 surprising benefits of castor oil and baking soda, and also can watch Castor Oil and Baking Soda Mixing Ratio and Usage Guide in our channel. Link in description, and of course, in the end screen. Let's start again. Bonus tip: boost your immune system with castor oil packs. Now, for the bonus tip. Did you know that castor oil can boost your immune system? Studies have shown that castor oil increases the production of lymphocytes, which are your body's natural defense cells. These cells help fight off infections, bacteria, and other harmful invaders. How to use it. Soak a cloth in castor oil, place it on your abdomen, and cover it with a warm towel. Relax for about 30 minutes before bed. You'll wake up with a stronger immune system and a healthier body overall. There you have it, 5 incredible benefits of using castor oil before bed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.